Unlock free data and unlimited internet with this free VPN. So are you tired of running out of mobile data every day? Okay, don't worry, this VPN I'm about to show you is going to give you free data and unlimited internet for all this. So if you're interested in this, without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so let's get a little bit technical. So this cutting edge VPN not only secures your online activities but also bypasses data restrictions, giving you access to unlimited internet access. And how does it do this? Well, the PauTECtips VPN, that's the name, operates by creating a secure tunnel for your internet connection, making it anonymous and free from prying eyes. But what sets it apart from most other VPNs is its unique ability to provide unlimited data access, ensuring you never hit a data cap again. So I'm going to walk you through the setup process and showcase a seamless integration into your daily online routine. So but hey, as you know already, VPNs generally promise but may not be safe. They may sell your personal data, and that's how some of them make their returns. So I can't actually assure anyone if a VPN is going to stick to what it claims. But if you are only interested in free internet, then I have tested this and it works. If this is what you're looking for, then let's get the right things done. So first, let's open Play Store and search for PauTECtips VPN. So go ahead and install it. I've done that already, so I'll just go ahead and I'll open it. Okay, right, so now there are a few things you do here. You have to turn on your mobile data so it can connect you to the internet. And I know you are going to ask me this question: will you consume my mobile data? A big no to your question. So to demonstrate this, let's check my mobile data balance, and it's around 796.5 MB. Take note of this. Now let's go and connect to the PauTECtips VPN. Once you open the app, just tap on connect and it is connected. Simple as ABC. So let's go and watch YouTube videos to test the connectivity and the speed and all that. Okay, and as you can see, it is smooth and great. Now don't forget, let's check my mobile data balance once again to see if the PauTECtips VPN touched my mobile data. Remember, it was 796.5 MB, and bam, it still remains the same after watching videos on YouTube. Right, are you satisfied now? But it claims it is unlimited, but I don't know where and when it's going to start misbehaving, if that is going to happen at all. If that was good for you to save some bucks on data, then hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, and come back here for more. Stay safe, and we'll see each other another time, and good